Hey everyone, welcome to the database security. So guys, this is the other one video that we are making now. So in this video that we will be demonstrating you that how you can break the security of a database. For that reason, I have one setup ready that to show you. So guys, the one side I have a Kali Linux. Uh, and some like username and the password list available on the desktop. uh, if you want I can show you the detail that few of the username and it's pretty same as the password that I have created as a word list. And the Kali Linux that I'm using is having the IP address which is 192.168.2.4. The other side I have a Metasploit table which IP is 192.168.2.8. So over the Metasploit table, there is a MySQL server uh, which is running on. And to confirm this, I'm going your demonstration of port scan. So through this, you can easily confirm. There we go. So guys, in the MySQL database, we have a security, consider. So how to break it? If there is a security, guys. So brute force attempt is the one of the way of breaking the security. It's one of the exploitation method or breaking the security barricades applied on the database on MySQL server ever. So through this way you can do it. So in the last video that you saw that how Hydra we have used to crack. Today we will be using guys the auxiliary code available in the Metasploit, for which I'm going to start the Metasploit by typing MSF console. Okay, so we have started. Now guys, what we have to do is we have to type search MySQL. So let me make it little zoom out, because when it will be listing down, so that it will not be odd, like you can see that it is listing them very nicely and presenting very nicely. If I make it zoom out, so you can see that how it always disturb the presentation and not be able to identify quickly that what is the auxiliary code that we are looking for. Anyway, this much the font size is more than enough. So anyway, auxiliary scanner MySQL MSSQL login is the auxiliary code that I'm actually looking for. Super. So now the thing is, like guys, how to use this auxiliary code. So we always use a command use and paste the code. Alright, so now after that we have to type show options to see the requirement of this auxiliary code. And the auxiliary code requirement is like blank password we have to attempt, brute force speed we are not interested. We have to define the password file because we don't know. We have to define the R host over which we want to target. Remote port is already selected, and username we will be using this because it's saying a specific username to authenticate as. So we know that guys well that username is root, that we already did a deep dig to find that information. And that's it. All right, so let's just start guys one by one. I'll just be giving set true, so that we want this auxiliary code to apply blank password also, for putting it with the login name that we'll be defining, password file. So for defining the password file, we have to define the location. enter. Set our host s is always given an auxiliary code or exploit when the exploit or auxiliary code is capable to target like in one shot or in one attempt, like range of the IP address, single like IP or the multiple IPs, you can say. So in our case there is only one IP. Set our host, then we have to define set username, which is root, and that's it. You can type exploit or run. So basically we use a command run for verbose. So let me just check what went wrong. Somewhere it's saying found remote. SQL version is 1.0. This password file we have defined. Set our host. I think we have missed defining the our host. Set our port. Show options. So we have selected set blank password. Password file we have defined, which is there. Our host. Our port we have defined. Username we have also defined, guys. Anyway, we'll define again. I think something. Okay. Set username, which is root we are defining, and then we'll try attempt again. There we go. Something went wrong, guys, earlier at the moment when we were choosing the name, I believe. So it has not only has found the MySQL database version, but also it has successfully break the password. So remember one thing: after the root colon, the other side is mentioned nothing, which means that blank password has been checked successfully, and it seems that there is no password being used by the MySQL server. So username is root, which we can use, but there is no password applied. To confirm this, we'll log in into the MySQL server in the remote server. Dash H for the host that we want to connect to. There we go. So we have simply entered the password. We have put nothing because it was a blank password. And type show databases, enter, and successfully we are able to retrieve the information of databases, guys. So this is how you guys can easily break the security, guys, of the remote server which are not applied or having any password, even though if any password is existing. So with the help of brute force attempt, you can try to break the security and can try to get a access over the entire MySQL server database. So guys, hope you would have liked the video. In case of any question you have, please reach out to us. If nothing, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.